If your throat feels sore or you keep getting cough and irritation, try this simple roasted lemon remedy. Take a little black salt, 4 to 5 black peppercorns, and 1 spoon of Ajwain. Grind everything together into a coarse mix. Now take a lemon, cut it in half, and spread this spice mix on top. Heat the lemon lightly over the stove flame until it becomes warm and juicy, then drizzle 1 spoon of honey on it. Eat it slowly. Within 2 to 3 days, your throat will feel better, the cough will reduce, and bacterial infections will also go away naturally. Try it once and you'll feel the difference. Write the word VALO to get my guide, Ayurvedic remedy for sore throat and cough relief.